Okay.
Which the rest of it's all on.
You can
all going to be recorded on my son anyway out the window.
record, but can you
I will.
back up?
No, I'm going to move this into our driveway out of the way.
With police
I'm going to move the truck into our driveway out of the way.
No, you're not.
Okay, and what law prevents me from doing that?
It's a traffic hazard.
Okay, and how's it a traffic hazard? After he was in my truck without my permission, opened the door in the truck without nobody's permission. Well, this is how much it's on the road, how much of a traffic hazard it is.
The roadway is from utility.
Well, this is how much on the road. You can clearly see it is not in the road. It is not a traffic hazard. It's at the end of our driveway on private property.
It's illegally parked facing the wrong way.
Okay, well, our judges and attorneys will figure all that out, I guess, right? Clearly, nowhere in the road, clearly not a traffic hazard in any way. I offered to get right now myself in the truck, pull it all the way clearly out of the roadway. He refuses to let me do it, took the keys out of my vehicle. Clearly not a hazard, not in the roadway. I'm offering to pull it all the way in the driveway, no problem, get it all the way out of the way, no issue. He refuses to let me do it and took the keys out of my vehicle. What's your name and badge number, sir? I need your name and badge number, please. Sir, name and badge number, please.
It's a vehicle that's
Name and badge number, please.
expired registration.
The vehicle's not on the road. It's at the end of our driveway. Parked. Nobody's driving it. It's on private property.
That's not your driveway.
This is our driveway right here. This is our driveway.
Sticking out of your driveway.
Okay, and I will tell you, I'll pull it up, no problem.
No, you didn't give me that.
No, you didn't give me the opportunity before I come out here and you were illegally in my vehicle. You were illegally in my vehicle.
No insurance, no registration.
It's a park on private property. It's not driving down the road. It don't need to have insurance. It's not driving down the road. Name it. Just give me your name and badge number, please.
Sergeant Alexander, A number 810.
Badge number what?
810.
Okay, thank you.
Now, would you mind let me do my job? Can you back up and let me do my job?
No, what do you need to do?
I'm
not interfering with your job. I'm on my property. Okay. I'm just not gonna let you violate my rights. I know my rights, and you're not gonna violate them.
I'm impounding this vehicle.
Okay, well, if that's what you think is the right thing to do, you go ahead. Because there's no reason to impound it. Because I told you I'd pull the rest of the 2 inches that you might think it might be in the roadway.
Let me get to that.
Okay, because you didn't give me the respect and rights that I have of not getting to my vehicle without my permission. Okay. So yeah, that's what you did wrong first. So yeah, I was a little upset when I looked out the window and seen you in my vehicle.
You cannot enter this vehicle while I'm impounding, so don't come over.
Well, you didn't have right to enter it to begin with.
Yes, I do, ma'am.
No, you didn't. Clearly not in the roadway, not a traffic hazard in any way at all whatsoever. I'm gonna get a tape measure and measure mark right where the back tire is, so we can know for sure where it's at. We're gonna go ahead and mark right where the truck is. Front tire. Trey, just go inside. I'll explain it, talk to you all about it here in just a little while. Just go inside, all right? Back tire. Back tire, front tire, driver's side. Back tire, passenger side. Front tire, passenger side. All the way from the front tire across. And from the back tire, not the front tire. This is from the back tire all the way across to the culvert. From the back tire all the way across to the driveway culvert.
Okay, ma'am. You can step away now, okay? That's not the road.
I've not committed a crime. This is my property. I'm going to record all this until it's over with. That's my right.
Do you not agree?
That's my right. I don't have nothing else to say to you.
Okay. Park facing the wrong way also, so.
There's no wrong way to park a vehicle in your own private driveway.
Right.
Right, there's not. There's nothing illegal about parking a vehicle whichever way you want it in your own private driveway. Sir, can I get your name and badge number 2 as well, please? Sir? Officer? Can I get your name and badge number 2, please? Your name and badge number 2, please?
Sure, Gentry, 822.
Thank you. Right now, the green truck that they're towing, that's on our private property, the green Ford, they're towing because it's a traffic hazard, because it's sticking out in the roadway is what they're claiming. Although, at this exact time, there's 2 police cars in the middle of the roadway and a civilian car that's with them that I don't know, maybe a volunteer fire department, that's way more in the roadway than our green truck that is not being towed. But ours is a traffic hazard, and it's being towed because of that. Off of our private property, nobody was driving it, it wasn't even running. They illegally entered it, and now they're towing it because it's a traffic hazard when their vehicles aren't traffic hazards, and they're all the way in the roadway. But ours is getting towed. So once they tow the truck, I'll measure with the tape measure all the painted marks that I painted behind each tire, the line from the back tire straight to the culvert, proving that it is not even off of our property into the roadway. And I'll measure it all on camera with a tape measure. Clearly not a traffic hazard. They can come around it just fine, no problem. 2 vehicles can come through there. Still illegally entering my vehicle on my private property that's parked, that he's had no permission to go inside of. Not even a vehicle that we drive, it's parked in our private property, doesn't even get driven. Wasn't running, no driver was in it, the doors were all closed when they got here. Still illegally searching my vehicle parked on my private property.